Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on or off the DST function on your Casio GA-100. So we have the G-Shock GA-100 with the module 5081. This tutorial will work for other Casio G-Shock watches out there as well. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 4 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and the first thing that we can set is the home city. Now I'm going to use the mode button and press it once in order to arrive at the DST function. Now I'm going to press the forward button in order to switch between on and off when it comes to the DST. As you can see, we have it off. It is 11:55. Now when the DST is on, so the daylight saving time is on, you can see that we have 12:56, and also it shows us DST right there. If you want and prefer it off, press it once, and in order to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button. Once you do that, we know that the DST is off or on depending on your preference. Now I'm going to also make a full guide on how to use all the functions and features on the Casio G-Shock GA-100 module 5081. So in case that is something that you are interested in, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. And if you found value from this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you on the next video.